This is a big project for Landmark. The project comprised the construction of a brand new 600 metre electronic target range, which will have SART's technology. There's also a 100 metre grouping and zeroing range, a range wardens complex which will have the office, targetry, store and workshop. There'll also be classrooms and troop shelter which will be bookable facilities to help complement the use of the range, and a small console building in which the SART's system will be operated from. Sustainability has been a big part of this project. We've got various technologies in the project. There's the biodisc sewerage system, rainwater harvesting, ground source heat pumps. It's important that we use these energy saving technologies, not only for the environment but also for the efficiencies it'll offer the client.
This is a huge achievement to get a new range going on in the west of Scotland, and the importance for this range as far as the Royal Navy is concerned and the Royal Marines down the hill is massive. I can't really emphasise it at the moment just how important it is, because at the moment they're having to travel across to Dundee or across to Edinburgh or indeed further afield in order to be able to conduct the mandatory shoots they need in order to allow them to deploy. This now has electronic targetry, the new SART's targetry on board, which will be able to assist the users not only in knowing that they've hit the target, but also where they've hit it, or indeed how close they were when they missed it. And that in itself is a massive training benefit.
It's new, they wanted the latest technology, they wanted all of the latest design updates, because they've been refurbing lots of old Rangers, and this was a chance for us to show exactly what can be done basically from scratch, because there wasn't enough existing infrastructure for us to be able to make that happen.
I thought I knew all about ranges until I started this job, and then when you get round to the nuts and bolts of the range and how to develop the range and actually build it and construct it, then there's a lot more to the actual construction of the range. So yeah, it's fantastic. I love watching these projects from cradle to grave. To be quite honest with my military background, I can look at this project from a soldier's point of view and not only from a contractor's point of view as well. And I can talk to Mackenzie's when I'm up on site, and I can sort of advise them of what's right and what's wrong. And then obviously they go back to the designer and clarify everything I've said to them. So in that way, I think I'm a bit of an asset to Mackenzie's on the ground.
We are here to build a 600 metre long firing range that has electronic targets for the landmark support services, which is part of the MOD. So we are doing the bulk of the earthworks and simply fabricating the range out of the local landscape, as I should say.
This is a very exciting and important project for Landmark, because it's the first time we've actually had the chance to actually build a brand new range rather than refurbish. It gives us the opportunity to demonstrate that we can provide really top-rate facilities for our armed forces.